Hey guys, yes, welcome back to our channel.
Featuring Liz and Presley.
Yeah, so we're making guac for two. So first, you get your avocado and you put it in the bowl and mash it up. Yeah.
Look at how perfect that was.
So I'm mashing up the avocado.
We really didn't need this much avocado.
Then you do tomatoes and dice it and then put it in the the guacamole.
Okay, so I've like cut like really big tomato chunks because I'm not good at this. Cute.
So we just cut it and we put them in there. Okay.
So now we're gonna put our tomatoes in here.
Yeah. Maybe we should have been small.
We should have, but it's too late now.
That's a lot of tomatoes.
Yeah, but it's a lot of avocado, Presley.
This is really nice.
This one's like a really big piece. There we go.
And then you get onions and cut it up and put it in there. So we just cut it. Yeah.
And
So now we have to put it in here.
do you think we need all the onion?
No, I don't
Wait,
like
there's like
onions
a one.
that much.
Alright, so we're just gonna put like just a little bit.
Yeah.
So this seems like pretty mixed.
And then you get the lime. So I have a lime and I cut it in half yesterday because,
We came prepared.
yeah. Here.
Oh, okay.
Now we just squeeze the lime in there. Why is it not working? How are you that strong?
You get a really strong friend to squeeze it.
Gross.
Let me do it.
Okay.
Featuring Animal helping us.
That's gonna be wet. I think.
Thank you.
Is lime enough? Is this lime enough?
Yeah.
This lime smells so good.
Would you like it?
Avocados kind of taste like butter if you eat them by themselves.
Yeah,
They kinda do.
And then you have guac for two. So thanks, like and subscribe.
DIY Warriors.
I think we need to have bloopers.
We do.
What if you flung that and it hit the camera?
Oh, that'd be
That'd
so
be
funny.
so bad.
A very cute angle.
I know. Behind the scenes of making guac
Like, how are you
too.
gonna? Oh my god, I found edible cookie number one. Okay, but how is Presley gonna get in this?
Dude, I didn't think that far. I'm just gonna cut like the other avocado.
Cut the
Oh, I love guacamole.
They are, but like it's okay. Everything's fine.
You're welcome. I'm giving you such good
Thank you,
content.
Marie.
Thank you. Guac, come on. Guac, guac, come on.
What are you doing for your thing?
Yeah, how's your video?
Okay, so get your avocado, mash it up like this, then get your tomatoes, cut it, then get onions and cut it. That's the directions.
Cut it. Cut
And
it.
then the rest can just be bloopers.
Jadalyn, would you like a fourth of an avocado?
I would, but I have gum.
Take it. Take it.
The bathroom didn't have paper towels.
It's second period. It should have paper towels.
This is like a hard guacamole.
A hard avocado?
Um,
It's not guac yet.
uh,
What?